Welcome to Tech with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn about filter or where function in PySpark. The filter function in PySpark is used to filter rows in data frame based on the condition. It returns only the rows that satisfy the condition. You can use filter or where, they work the same way. So let's take a look on our sample data. Here we have a name, department and salary, and you can see that there is Amir, Ali, Raza, Bob and Lisa. These are just different names we have here, and the list of the columns I have provided name, department and salary. And here I'm creating my data frame df spark.create data frame. So this will create a new data frame, and then we will use this data to create the data frame, and schema is equal to columns. So this is a list of the columns we have provided. So now our data frame will be created for this data with this schema. Now we can go ahead and print this data frame and take a look what exactly it output for us. And now we can see the output right here, and here is our output for our data frame. So we have name, department and salary, we can see right there. Now we are going to start using filter function here and see how this works. So let's say if I want to filter my output only for the department where it is equal to sales, so I can do that. So I will say df.filter, and then I will say df.department. So that's the name of the column I have right there. So and equal to sales, and then I use a show function to see the results. Now if I execute this one, what's going to happen? We are going to see only the records related to the sales department, and you can see right there we have a department here, and we are seeing the results where it was equal to sales. So this is how we can use a filter. Now let's go to another example, and here we would like to filter rows where salary is greater than 4,000. So you will say df.filter, so filter the results from the data frame, and the df.salary, the salary column should have value more than 4,000, and then we are using a show function to see the results. So let's execute this one. Very simple and easy to read. So here you can see that it is showing us all those records where salary is greater than 4,000. Now let's go to another example, and here we are saying filter rows with multiple conditions, and now we are using AND operator here. Now right here we said df.filter, dataframe.filter, and then we said that df.department equal to engineering, and then put this one into parentheses for a single column condition first, then use the AND sign, and then here is the second condition. So df.salary, in the data frame we have salary column, and that should be greater than equal to 5,000, and show me the results. And we execute this now, and it should show us where department is equal to engineering and salary is greater than 5,000 or equal to. So we see that it has filtered the records for us. Now if we would like to filter rows with multiple condition and use the OR operator, that's possible as well. Nothing really fancy here. You are using this pipe sign here for the OR operator, and rest of that you say df.filter, then you have your column here, and then equal to sales, and then you have df.salary greater than 5,000, and then we are taking a look into the results by using show function. And here is our output, and we see that we have either department is equal to sales, or we have a salary greater than 5,000. So we have sale here, and here is not even a sales, but the salary is greater than 5,000. So because OR operator, so one of the condition has to be true in this case. Now if we want to use the in function, so remember that in SQL we always say where department in this or name in this, we can use isin function with the filter to filter those records. And here I said that df.filter, df name, and then I said isin. So that means I want to check for these values. If the name column contain any of these values, then it's going to print those results for us. So now it's going to filter first, and then we use the show function to print or show us the results. So hit shift control enter to just run the selected part. So here is you can see that it is it has filtered our records depending upon the name, where a name was in Amir Shehzad or Raza. So if you want to increase your list, you can always put more names, So let's say we want to have Bob and all that, so you can keep increasing on the list. So this just simply works like your simple in clause in SQL. Okay, so great. We have learned about filter and where class here, and where function. And here now if I say where, it should be exactly the same, nothing changed. So you can either use filter or you can use where, both will work the same way. So if you write here, so you can replace wherever you want and then execute, and then you are going to see the results. So well, however you are comfortable, I'm very comfortable actually with the using where class because I came with the SQL background. But you know, once we start using filter, it is also the same thing. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you guys in the next video.